Good morning, dear students, and welcome back to our English text class. Today we'll take Unit 1, Section 3, that is Laugh and Be Happy. Children, we all know that laughter is a priceless medicine, but sometimes, somewhere in our mind and heart, we feel that there is nothing to laugh and be happy about. Now, children, priceless medicine means there is no cost of that medicine. Okay, so laughter is a medicine which is priceless, and we should laugh and be happy. No matter the situation, whatever the situation is, we should laugh and be happy. So, children, the speaker one Sunday evening was out with his friends to enjoy tea in a restaurant, and while they were sitting there, he could hear some people laughing and giggling. Now, giggling means laughing in a silly manner. Okay, so the speaker turned around to see who was sitting and laughing and why they were laughing or giggling. So, when he turned round, he saw that there were two little girls, teenage girls who were sisters. They were laughing or giggling about something. The girls laughed so much that they don't have any control on their laughter, and the mother was getting angry about their laughter, and she was saying that getting angry on them because of their behavior, as they were not behaving properly on a public place, as the girls were laughing and they were not able to control themselves. So the mother told the girls to stop now and to behave themselves. Okay, now, so the girls told their mother that let us laugh today, as tomorrow we will be in school and we will not be able to laugh tomorrow. So the quota means a limited amount of something. So the amount of laughter which is meant for tomorrow, we are consuming it today. Now the girls are saying that we don't have to control our laughter because they don't have a specific time to be happy. They can be happy anytime they want. So the mother realized that we should not wait for things or events to make us happy, or we should not wait for them. We must find them. We must find the events to be happy. There are many events in our life in which we can on which we can think and laugh and be happy. We all know that laughter is very good for us, but we often feel that there is nothing to laugh about or be happy about. So, we should use some techniques to be happy. Okay, and the techniques are like we should think of events or places or things or people that make us laugh. So, children, we should keep our eyes and ears open for things that can inspire laughter. Inspire means to fill with the urge to do something. Okay, so the most important thing is to learn to laugh at ourselves. Okay, there must be some instances or something which you must have done or made you have done something that made others laugh at you. You should remember those instances or recall those instances and think and laugh and be happy. Okay, so laughter should be for happiness, for your happiness, for our happiness, and for others. Okay, we should not laugh on the shortcomings or people's shortcomings, misery and sorrows, or to disturb and distract others. Okay, so it will be very rude or cruel to to laugh in that situation. Always we should keep in our mind that we should laugh, or we should laugh on those things which make us happy or others happy. So we should laugh with others but not on them. Okay. So, children, the speaker here is saying that we should take a dose of laughter every day. Okay, dose means we take dose of medicines to get healthy and to uh, get rid of our diseases. No, so we should take a healthy dose of laughter to keep ourselves healthy. And a child laughs almost 400 times a day, while an adult laughs only laughs only 15 times a day. So it is, the amount of laughter is so less. So this is a matter of concern. Concern means worry, that we are not using the laughter, the quota means the amount, limited amount of our laughter properly. So we should laugh at least 400 times a day. Now doctors and healthcare professionals, they say that laughter is indeed the best medicine. Okay, it reduces high blood pressure, relaxes whole body, and a good hearty laugh relieves physical tension, stress, leaving muscles relaxed for almost 45 minutes. Laughing is a good exercise for our heart also. It improves the function of blood vessels and increases blood flow, which can help protect us against a heart attack and other heart problems. Now children, a good belly laugh is an excellent form of internal jogging. Okay, so children, a good laugh is excellent for forgetting aches and pains. Now when we laugh children, our body releases endorphins, the body's natural painkiller. Okay, thus giving us temporary relief from pain. Now laughter also boosts our immune function by increasing disease fighting proteins. In other words, laughter strengthens our immune system. So children, immune system is the system that protects us from many diseases. Hence laughter improves our resistance to diseases. Resistance means the ability not to be affected by something. So laughter forces out more air from our lungs and then during normal breathing. Following a laughter bout, a quick inhalation occurs, filling the lungs once again to normal capacity. Another laughter bout may then follow. Now, imagine how with every laughter bout the lungs are emptied and oxygen taken in. So whenever we laugh, we are giving out more air from our lungs than normal breathing. And when we again follow the laughter, then our lungs are filled with the fresh air again to the normal capacity. Now see children, so laughter is a medicine which we need or which we require a lot. So it empties the lungs and it takes the oxygen, it helps us to take in oxygen more. So children, laughter therefore is a priceless medicine, free and easily available and easy to use and without any side effects. So we should laugh and be happy always. Hope you have understood this beautiful lesson. Thank you and have a nice day.